Welcome to Scrapdragon TV. Almost all jurisdictions have some regulations requiring that specific information be recorded on every transaction. Some jurisdictions also require that certain purchase transactions be reported electronically. In this episode, we'll learn about the government record keeping and reporting features in Scrapdragon Extreme. These features have several benefits to the yard. They ensure that the yard is collecting all data required to remain in compliance with government regulations. They identify tickets with missing or invalid data so that they can be corrected by the scale operator before the ticket is closed. They save time because transactions that are to be reported to the government are validated prior to submission, eliminating data rejection. They allow the yard to specify any additional data that they want to require. Government reporting is done using generic templates for exporting purchase transactions. Templates are included for all known government entities that require reporting, and they can be easily changed as new requirements are legislated. New templates can be easily created to extract any purchase data in any format that might be required. Government reports that can be submitted via FTP can be scheduled to run automatically. A list of users can be automatically notified by email whenever a government report is automatically run. The best way to comply with the record-keeping requirements is to get all the data correct when the ticket is created. Let's go to Scrap Buying to see how the compliance lights help the scale operator do just that. In Scrap Buying, a red light is shown next to the ticket number if any required data on the ticket is missing or invalid. When the scale operator touches the red light, a pop-up message identifies what information is missing or invalid. In this case, there is missing delivery vehicle information. The vehicle details can be added by touching Delivery Vehicle. We can choose from the customer's delivery vehicles on file or add a new delivery vehicle. Notice how the red light is now green. Here we can see a red light next to the autos. Pressing the red light reveals that a VIN entry is required. Press the VIN Edit to add the VIN information. Notice how the red light is now green. Let's see how we set up the required data fields. The User Menu Government Reports item is where this information is configured. Scrapdragon provides reporting templates for all known government reports, but additional templates can easily be created to satisfy any new reporting requirements. Existing templates may be selected from the drop-down list. Let's look at the Leads Online template. This screen shows us to select the checkboxes we need to filter the transactions, specify whether the template is run automatically, and whether the template is also used for validation. Data can be exported to 5 different file formats, each with specific options. The folder for the exported file can be specified, as well as the file naming convention. Choosing the Fields button allows us to define the specific fields to be uploaded. Since we can upload leads online automatically, we can also set up the FTP transmission details at the same time. Email notification lists can also be set up. When a government report is automatically generated, an email notice of the event will be sent to these email addressees. Once the setup is done, reports that are not automatically generated can be manually triggered by entering the appropriate date range and touching Create Output. Touching the Ticket Correction action item allows you to view and correct tickets that may still have data errors. This can be done as a final validation before the output is generated and uploaded, or to correct tickets that were rejected by the receiving entity. Tickets in error are shown in red, along with the error. In this example, the vehicle information is missing and can be corrected. This is an easy fix. You may view the image of the vehicle in JPEG. When the ticket information is corrected in this screen, the master files are also corrected so that the same bad information doesn't invalidate future tickets. This ticket correction capability makes it much more convenient to validate or correct tickets from a single screen. In scrap buying, the compliance lights will enable the scale operator to see when required data is missing or invalid and make the necessary corrections. Any purchase transactions can be uploaded to any government entity in a variety of formats using our generic export templates. Templates for all known government uploads are included, and additional templates can be created. The ticket correction feature allows you to easily identify data issues and correct them before the report is uploaded. In addition, some government uploads may be scheduled to run automatically, and users may be notified by email of the status of the process. ScrapDragon Extreme has other compliance features involving payment and purchase limitations that were not covered in this video. This concludes this episode of ScrapDragon TV.